The large function allows us to examine a list of values and picks the values at a user specified position. There are two fields which must be entered into the large function. Firstly, we have the array, which is the list of numbers to be examined, and secondly we have k, which represents the position to pick from. So let's look at an example. In column A here we have a series of values. Over here in column D we want the highest value returned and we want the fifth highest value returned. So we can use our large function. Our first parameter is array, which is the full list of values that we're examining, and k is the position of the height of the value we want returned. So in this instance we want the highest value returned, so we want the first highest value, so we put 1 in for the k parameter, and this will return 800, which represents the highest number in our values. Likewise, for this one we want the fifth highest value, so again we select the same data in our array parameter, and for k here we press 5, and this will return the fifth highest value that is present.